convenient and portable. Once we hold it, actually the weight is only less than 3 kilograms. It's around 2.6. So it's very easy and convenient for you to deliver the machine with the patient from the ambulance to the emergency room, or from emergency room to the patient wards, even to ICU room. And the good thing is that you can see from our machine, once we start the machine, it will get into the self-checking. And if there will be any problem, it will already show like this on the top side. So you can see here, now it's showing that we're not connecting with the gas. That is because now the machine is here for the demonstration and no need to connect with gas. And here we can do the preset for the new patient and function check. And for the new patient, you can see actually we from the neonatal, children and adult. And here actually we can check about the battery, and also even we can choose here for the previous patient. So that means we can reserve the data and use it for the last patient as well. And if you want to change it, we just get it back and we set it from new patient. Here for the adult, we have the different ventilation mode, and also the same time for children and for the infant. And after you choose the different ventilation mode, we can press OK. Then we can get into the standby interface. Like this. And then here we can see, once we press the infant button, it will emergency get into the ventilation mode, like this. So then we get into it directly. Because we know if we want to use the transport ventilator, the time is very important. So if we can fastest time to get inside what we want, then we will be better. So it's like this. And once we want to change for children, we just press OK. And also the same for adults. So it's like this. Okay. And here we can see the several functions here. We can set in for the alarm limit for the upper side and lower side, because we know in different country and different kind of patient, actually the limit is different. So doctors can change it as per their experience. And here we can change in the mode during the operation. And after we change it, for example like this, then it will immediately change to the new mode. And this one is for the manual ventilation. So once we press it, and then it will get into the manual ventilation, one step by one step. And this button is just for quick getting out. For example, if we don't want to change it, we just press the button. It will get back to the original one. And also for this one, we have the inside battery. The standard battery pack can make it. It's here. You can show the battery is here, and the battery can ensure for 4 hours operation. But usually we can give you for 2 batteries. So that means the machine at least can be used for 8 hours to 10 hours. So it's already enough time for no matter how long distance to the hospital. And here we have 2 different ports. This one is for the high pressure oxygen inlet port. So you can connect it with the cylinder, and if sometime in the hospital, you can also connect with the central oxygen supply. But also here we provide you the low pressure oxygen inlet. That means even sometime using the ambulance, you can also use the oxygen concentrator to be connected with the machine. Because sometimes we know that the doctors, they don't want to fill in the gas and oxygen in the cylinder all the time, and maybe they think it's not safety. Then we can use the oxygen concentrator. And from here, actually, we have the accessories and connecting with the pipe. And the pipeline usually we are giving is for the silicone one. That means it's reusable. And it can be autoclavable under 134 degrees. And you can use it for many, many times. But if you really want the disposable one, we can also provide you. And here we're connecting with the different connectors and also with the sampling line to monitoring the pressure and the flow right here. And here we have the bag also. The bag is very important because we know it's for delivery and for emergency issue. So that if you take the machine to using with the patient from the ambulance to the hospital to the patient ward, of course we need to hold the bag. And the bag with the machine is also not very heavy. And it's very easy for you to use in one hand to take it. And also the bag inside, we can put the machine inside and to fix it like this from different angles. But at the same time, here, we can put in one out of a cylinder. And this cylinder actually is a 7 liters or 5 liter cylinder. But this cylinders with oxygen, because this machine, we are using the air from the atmosphere already. So only oxygen is enough. But at the same time, you can use the oxygen concentrator as well.
Thank you very much.